Oh, la kaya. La. Oh, may taga kaya? May taga kaya? Oh. May taga kaya? Islayin ini. What's up mga Hitsuraang, mga choy ug chay? Nanasad karon sa Hitsuraang Kulisaw para malingaw kaninyo. So since ako ang video from vlog number 11 to vlog number 12 is mga old videos na ako, mga past travels na ako dire. Today's vlog is all about snowboarding. So this year ata to? Yep, this year. So I'm going to edit this one since wala akong maka-edit sa vlog ani. This is day 1 of our snowboarding adventure in Hakuba Happo. So day 1, here we go. Let's go.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas.
Hey guys, we just arrived our snowboarding place. Okay. Wow. This is my first time going here, guys.
Easy ba? CMM mo to ah.
That's my friend. We're all first timers here. Woo. Woo. Bro, what can you say, bro?
Bro, kakoklit ala din, nagganti para ka. Ano tayo doon sa ano?
Practice muna kami, guys.
Kasi hindi pa kayo marunong sumakay doon.
Sabi Boss Dragon.
Mga arkon pa.
Mga kuan pa ni.
Si Daniel, kahit hindi yan bagon.
Si Randy, master pa ni. Sa epic. Oh. Epic. Okay, legendary. Oh, Aniel, balik-balik.
Kaya ganito, board nyo. Diba, ang board?
Yan.
Huwag niyang bitawan yung board na ganyan na.
So, instructor namin.
Kasi delikado yan pag na-slide, makatama ng tao. Pag nahinto kayo doon sa taas, kailangan nakatayo yan. Ganun. Dapat hindi ako tumbaha.
Ayusin nyo, ha.
Kasi wala yung belt dito, wala yung nakasilip Salis na ano. Part, meron part. Yan, kailangan itali mo yan lagi sa paa mo.
Tali mo sa leg mo.
Hanap muna kami ng spot guys na mag-practice. Kasi hindi pa namin kaya yung mga ginagawa ng mga galing oh. Lo, si Cyrox. Oh, ni pro sa iligan. Abot si Dre oh. Gasta. Sus, makatry na kita ginani ba? Kung wata ni ani Dre, kung wata nag kuan sa bukid. Naapras bukid ron. Part, sa imong kasulti nga imong mga pangandoy na tupad na jud.
Kaya kay putasoy.
Wa ko'y tulog, wa ko'y gana.
Imong kakamao siguro ani. Alright. Let's try this one. Let's go.
Nya. Sukol gool. Sige pa, sige. Tiyo, on the move! Woohoo! Paano professional na Tell you how? Wow! Mama! Ang hirap pala nito.
Pwede practice ano eh. Ha?
Hindi ako mag-uusaan.
Kulang pa. Practice pa mo.
Palpak. Lebih jual dan good.
Ito. Apa slide dari tadi? Dili man hadlok ko. Kaya ra na. Sige, try na kami. Si Omer oh, am ganina ay barbarag oh. Sam na bata. Sige.
What's going on? Hello to the world. Mama. Say hi, Mama.
Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Hinay, anak. Nice. Go. Ayo, lagi pawiya lagi.
Day 1 and I think I got it. Wow. Maybe let me try to do it with no mistake from here to the bottom of this mountain. Here we go. No mistake guys. Woo. See. Woo. I think I got it. Oh, dara akong amigo oh. Maayo na kaya po daw. Oh, la kaya. La. Oh, may taga kaya? May taga kaya? Oh. May taga kaya? Islayan, man. This is one day guys, one day of training.
Hello mga igan.
What's up mga kaigan? This day 1, alright.
What's up mga kaigat?
Up, number 1 contestant. Number 1 contestant. Up from Philippines. Hoy! Buanga! In a red corner. Hoy! Buangay! So that's it for me guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you tomorrow for vlog number 17 which is day 2 of our snowboarding. Maayo na kayo mo snowboard na guys. So katangin ninyo ako kung vlog. So see you again next time guys. This is Hitsuraang Kulisaw. Peace out.